In this video, I'm going to show you the Entra ID collaboration recently added to Unity Access. So let's take a look at a couple requirements before we get into the demonstration. One is you need to be running Unity Access 7.6 or newer. Also, you might need the Data and Templates add-on license if the two collaboration licenses included in the base license are already in use. The Entra ID collaboration will be configured in the same spot as other collaborations. For the purpose of today's demonstration, I'm going to open up and walk you through a collaboration that I've already configured. On the Source tab, you'll enter information necessary to connect to Entra ID. On the Schedule tab, you'll enter the frequency of how often you want to synchronize with Entra ID. In my example, I'm synchronizing every 1 hour. Next, we have the Identities tab. Here you're going to map fields in Unity Access to attributes in Entra ID. Now this will look very similar to what you see in the standard LDAP collaboration. A couple things I do want to point out that are different though. First is the query URI. Now with the standard LDAP collaboration, you'll indicate where you want to connect in the directory and then specify filters so that you don't pull back everything. Now with Entra ID, you kind of take the opposite approach. What you do is with the query URI is you will create select statements to pull back just the data that you're looking for. Also, a few other things that I want to point out that are different than what you typically see with the standard LDAP collaboration. And that is these two checkboxes down at the bottom. The first, assign imported roles. So what this will do is after you import roles on this tab, and roles are linked to security groups in Entra ID. So you'll want to import the security groups that you want to use as roles in Unity Access. Now going back to the Identities tab, if you select the Assign Imported Roles, when the collaboration connects and pulls back the data, then it will look at the security group membership of the user in Entra ID, and then it will assign it to any corresponding roles in Unity Access. Also, we have the Import Primary Photo checkbox. In the standard LDAP collaboration, you had a separate tab. Here we just have a checkbox. So if you check this, the photo from Entra ID will be imported into Unity Access and assigned as the primary photo. Next, we have the Tokens tab. So here you can link token information to attributes in Entra ID. You can also link user-defined fields. And finally, the Roles tab, as we discussed previously. So you'll notice that it is possible to have a completely automated provisioning of identities in Unity Access from data in Entra ID. And that is the conclusion of today's demonstration. Thank you for watching.